This is the Moore Norman Aviation Maintenance Technology program, and it takes about 18 months to complete. We started August 9th. We have our first class. We started in with 17 students.
We're always looking at new and interesting, exciting programs to bring into our facility to help supply workforce.
It's awesome for the county. We love the prospect of people being able to get out, get in the workforce, and find a job, and aerospace is a great way of doing that.
This is a really unique opportunity that we have here, being a part of the ground floor for the building of this program.
A student that comes in here, the return on investment is going to be astronomical. That opens the door for an entry-level career pathway at between $60,000 and $70,000, entry level.
I'm a student just getting started here. We're 6 weeks in and we already had somebody come and try to, hire us after we graduate. So to have those kind of opportunities is very, very humbling and grateful.
It's great to hear recruiters from national airlines coming into Norman, Oklahoma, looking for students to be able to hire.
Tinker's in our backyard. We have all the other companies, SkyWest, AAR, Kratos.
This is our first batch of students. They're doing great. They're excited. They know the opportunities that they have. They really seem to want to take advantage of that.
Right now, our class is ranging from 18 years old all the way up to, I think, 55. So we've got a wide variety of ages, and I tell you, I can't express the joy that it brings, that excitement starting on day one, and then just getting to build on it as they come through.
I'm kind of an atypical student, switching careers, getting into something completely new. It was spectacular. I mean, there's nothing like it in the state. Everything that you need to establish a baseline for a career is in this facility.
I absolutely love our facilities. There is not another school, in my opinion, that is even close.
Welcome to the Aviation Maintenance Technology hangar at Moore Norman Technology Centers.
Aviation and aerospace industry is the second largest industry in Oklahoma behind oil and gas. But this is a much more diverse workforce that we can develop.
We are honored with a $1 million ARPA federal funding grant that was allocated to us by the commissioners of Cleveland County.
We're proud to be able to use the ARPA dollars to purchase all the equipment, tools, and other things that are necessary to make this happen.
With the $1 million that we got, we were able to purchase the best of the best.
The county ARPA, it purchased our trainers, 2 aircraft. It purchased us a helicopter and all of our tools that our students are going to be using throughout their time in the program.
In any industry I've ever worked in, I've never been able to work in something this nice, this new. Everything's perfect.
I'm truly grateful to have these kind of opportunities. We have all of this tooling, all of these crafts, we have all these trainers, and it's cool to be the trailblazer for this program.
The community is super excited. The opportunities are endless.
It's incredible. We have a great opportunity here. These students have a great opportunity. I think they know it. Just want to see them be successful.
Right now, we've got recruiters that are beating down our doors trying to get in here and talk to our students with top-notch, high-paying, high-demand jobs.
I tell students all the time, you're limited to your imagination. This A&P certification is your ticket to the world.